is that at least 40 people have been killed by bandits in 5 communities of Faro district in Maradon local government area of Zamfara state on Thursday earlier today. The affected communities are Sauni, Gidan Bauche, Gidan Adamu, Gidan Wari, and Gidan Medawa. According to a resident in the area, the bandits who were riding over 100 motorcycles stormed the communities around 11 a.m. earlier on the morning of today, shooting sporadically and killing over 40 persons in the process. According to the resident, the military came to the aid of the communities but could not totally repel the attack because they were outnumbered by the bandits. Some of the dead bodies have been buried yesterday, while the remaining are buried this morning.
Greetings, everybody. Happy weekend. It's your brother once again, the wounded civilian. This video this morning is not about politics. It's to ask a simple question. Is Nigeria really a country? You know, I want to use this Zamfara. What happened in Zamfara day before yesterday to ask Nigeria, to ask ourselves, is Nigeria a country really? Is this how to run a country the way we are running it now? These people in government, you see, according to this video you just watched from Channels Television, they said over 100 bandits. They came with over 100 bikes, me to say bikes. Over 100 bikes. Went to a certain village in Zamfara. They begin to shoot at the locals, at the people, and they kill 40 people. 40 people. And the president is in Aso Rock without even making a speech, without addressing the nation, that over 100 bikes, people came with over 100 bikes to a village and begin to shoot at the people. By now, in a country where human being lives, the president should be telling the people the reason why. Oh my God. The president should be telling the people the reason why people, a group of criminals, will go to a village and begin, not that they are dragging land now or dragging territory, like this is my territory, this is your land, you are coming to my, no, nothing like that. They came and started shooting at people and they killed over 40 people. 40, 1, 2, 3 to 40 people, human being. Somebody's husband, somebody's wife, somebody's father, somebody's wife, children, and Nigeria. And the president is not addressing the nation. Everybody just go their own as if nothing happened. Or are they telling us? Or Channels TV lying? Or they did not kill nothing like that? It's just a frame up news. 40 people. Look, in a country like I said before, where human being lives, the commissioner of that state by now should be at least writing his resignation letter. The governor by now will be running etasketa to give the people, to tell the people the reason why. I mean, and you know, Buhari is a president. These people just package this man as a saint. He never do wrong. When you criticize him, hey, you are against Buhari government. Is this government? You called this, is this government? That people dying every day, every blessed day, people keep dying. Every day, insecurity. All this, what this government do is, ever since for 4 or 5 years now, and is to be telling the people in the south, you must give them land, give the Fulani S-men that is terrorizing them, terrorizing us, terrorizing our farmers, killing our people, to give them land for us to live. They call it Ruga. For 4 years now, this is what they are doing, forcing the south. They must give them land, they must give them land. These are people are telling you they are here, they come to our town, our state, our village, terrorizing our farmers. And all you could do is to be telling us to give them land, to compensate them with our land, our ancestral land. And that's the reason why people come to village and begin to kill people, because of the language of the president. And the president is comfortable because nobody is calling him out. Nobody is attacking him. The only way Buhari will know that he is a fair president, it is when his own people now realize that this man is a fair president, to start attacking him, criticizing him. That's the only way Buhari will do the needful. He will come on air and tell the police commissioner, treat them this, treat them like this. And if you see them, he don't mean it. Sometimes he will say, anytime you see people with anybody you see with AK-47, shoot aside. His minister will come out and say, no, he did not mean shoot aside, arrest them. This government is not organized. It's a fair government. How can people go to somebody's land and kill over 40 people? I know they kidnap over 100 something now in Kaduna. I think in Kaduna, over 100 something students. And nobody, and the kidnappers are telling the family of the people they kidnap to send them money to feed the people they kidnap. Can you imagine that kidnappers who kidnap people's children, they kidnap your children, be telling you to send them money to feed the people they kidnap? Can you imagine? Is that a country? And you call that a country? That's not a country. That's not a country. Nigeria, we are not serious. And that's the reason why you see agitation here and there. Everybody who want to be part of that nonsense. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. That's not a country. That is not a country. By now, the president should be addressing the nation, telling the nation the reason why. You must give the people the reason why people can go to a village and begin to shoot at people. You must tell the people the reason why. And they say most of these Fulani S-men terrorizing our people, they are not from our country. Buhari came to destroy that country. Buhari came to destroy that country. Sadden my heart. I know they kill every day, but I just want to use this. It happened the day before yesterday. The news is that they came and started in the north. So in the north, this is not in the south now, so that people will not think, oh, this killings about the south is to kill the south alone. No, their own people now. People, even Buhari State yesterday, they said they killed 15 people in Buhari State, Katsina. This is not a country. No. We need, I don't know. It would have been better, really. Let the north do their thing, stay alone, and let the south do their own thing too. But you know, nobody's proud of Nigeria. I don't like it. Nigeria is not a country. It's just that it's not war. War is not the answer. That way, if you like restructuring, we believe in restructuring. Separation will lead to war, and we are not perfect too. Well, divide our country doesn't mean our land south will become paradise. No, but it is frustrating. The news every day, this south and bad news coming from Nigeria, and the government. There is no sign the government even know what they are doing. Only to borrow, mortgaging our future, and the money they are borrowing from China, nobody know how they are spending it. Thank you and God bless. It's painful, man.